How to create subscriber in Flodesk from Google Sheets automatically. So assume that you are collecting some lead details into your Google Sheets and now you want to import all this lead data into your Flodesk email marketing software. So either you can manually export the data and import it here, or you can create an automation in Google Sheets and Flodesk software in such a way that whenever any new lead is added to a sheet, the same data will be created as a subscriber into our Flodesk software. So if you also want to sync your lead data with the Flodesk, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Google Sheets and this is Flodesk dashboard, and as soon as I will add new lead details, basic details here, you will notice how using same details a subscriber will be created automatically. But for that, firstly I'll have to integrate these two applications. So let me first add some dummy details. Okay, first name I am adding as a demo, last name I am adding as a user. Let me also add a dummy email address, something like demo@pabblytudes.com, and here I will add a dummy phone number, something like 96666 and 66666. Okay, it is a 10-digit dummy phone number. And now I'll have to first integrate this with the Flodesk, which I am going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing and a very cost-effective integration and automation software. And I'm an existing user, so here you can notice I'm already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button. And the interesting thing is, in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now after reaching out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as when new lead added to sheet automatically create subscriber in Flodesk. Now simply click on create, and after that you will notice two boxes. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead details are added into Google Sheets application, okay, so that is why I'm going to select the same application. Then using this information automatically create a subscriber into Flodesk software. Okay, so that is why in the action application I will select the same, that is Flodesk. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is I am going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So firstly you will have to select a trigger event, that is new or updated spreadsheet row, because I want to perform the same, that whenever any new data is added into the spreadsheet row, this automation should trigger, or we can say that this data should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so how we will build this integration, build this connection? So basically with the help of this webhook URL. Well, the instruction for the same are already given here. Firstly you will have to copy this webhook URL, then go back to your spreadsheet and directly click on this extension, click on add-ons, and then click on get add-ons, and here you will have to firstly search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Okay, so let me search for the same, but here you will notice that this add-on is already installed into my spreadsheet account because I have created my automation several times. But make sure if you are building this connection for the first time, you will have to firstly install this add-on, because after that you will have to open the same add-on from here. Again click on extension and click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on initial setup, and here exactly we will paste the same webhook URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me copy the same, coming back to my spreadsheet, and let me paste the same URL here, and now it is asking for the trigger column. Okay, so first to read the instructions. The trigger column will be a final data column in which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, so basically it is asking to specify the column name on the filling of which this automation should trigger, or we can say that the data should be sent to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here whenever I will add the details, of course that data will go up to D column. So here I will specify the trigger column as D only, that whenever the data is added up to D, it can assume that the data has been added and now finally send the data. Okay, so in the first time you will have to click on this send test and you will notice that the test data has sent successfully. Now clicking on submit and then clicking on this close button, here you can notice the setup configured successfully. Come back to Pabbly Connect dashboard and you will see the magic that as soon as we have clicked on that send test button, the response is received in Pabbly Connect. And let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the same trigger column, the same spreadsheet name. Here we also have the same row data, that is the dummy phone number, the last name, the first name, the email address. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. But here I would like to tell you two most important thing. First is, whenever you are working with Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, make sure either you work into the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in at the same time into this same tab. Okay, I'm repeating this again, either work into the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in here. Okay, and the second important thing is, if you want that whenever the new data is added here, that data should be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically. For that you will have to enable a very important setting, that is click on this send on event. Yes, as soon as you enable this option, after that what will happen, every time a new data is added here, the same data will be sent, which means a send on event. Whenever any event is happening here, the data should be sent. I think I have clicked on it once again so that it has disabled. Okay, so let me first enable it once again. Okay, and this will ensure that the data will go to Pabbly Connect automatically. Now coming back to Pabbly Connect, and the first step of our automation is done, and moving further I am going to send this data to Flodesk and I will create a subscriber here. Okay, so firstly I will select the action event, and of course the action event will be create or update a subscriber only. Okay, now simply click on connect, then click on add new connection and then click on connect with Flodesk, and here you will have to provide the access of your Flodesk account. Well, I have provided this access multiple times. Okay, so I can also go with the existing connection. If in the first time you have provided the connection, you have provided the access, you can also then go with the existing connection. And here you can notice my Flodesk account is also connected with the Pabbly Connect, just like we have connected Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can notice it is asking for several important details, and I'm going to provide the data only into the required fields which are actually necessary for creating a subscriber in Flodesk. So firstly it is asking for the field. Choose by which field you want to create or update the subscriber. So here, because I am creating a new subscriber, I do not have the ID of the subscriber, so of course I will select email only. Asking for the field value. Okay, this can be either the subscriber's email or subscriber ID. So again I will select, I will add the email ID only, and from where I am going to provide this data. Remember, we have just captured the data from our spreadsheet, and the interesting part is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it below. Okay, I'm going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply either search for that data or select that data directly, and this is how the data will be mapped. Now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here from this drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in next time in real time. Yes, with every new row added, with every new data added here, these details will be replaced automatically. This existing data will be replaced with the new details, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Okay, let me first take you to the audience section of this Flodesk, and here you can notice I have few subscribers. So how about I delete these subscribers in front of you, and then I'll show you everything from scratch. Okay, so few more subscribers are left, so how about I delete these subscribers also. And here you can notice currently I don't have any subscribers, no subscribers found. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response to receive here. Okay, so here you can notice the response is received, which means the contact has been created. Basically the subscriber has been created. Let me refresh my Flodesk account and fingers crossed. Alright, so here you can notice the subscriber is created successfully here. Let me open the subscriber and let me show you the details of the subscriber. Okay, so here we have the same name, basically the first name, the last name, the company, the mobile number, and we also have the same email address. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in Flodesk and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time you add new details into your spreadsheet, using that data the subscriber will be created automatically. Now you do not have to export this data and import it here one by one again and again and manually. Okay, and once you will see that your first subscriber has been created successfully, after that don't forget to enable the send on event option. Okay, so this is how this automation is going to take place, and in order to automate this process, simply set this automation inside Pabbly Connect for once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation, link of my workflow into my description box. Okay, so simply click on that link and then sign up into the Pabbly Connect for free, and after that you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.